On the right foot. Put your body weight on the right. Yeah, left is free. Put the other arm here. Yeah, other arm here on your waist. Very good. Beautiful posture. So now we have to understand 3 levels of hip action. This is a high hip. So lift your hip high, squeeze here, high hip. Then you release from here, neutral. And then it's a low hip, compressed hip.
Okay.
Compressed. So this is a neutral, high, neutral, compressed, like a saddle hip. So these 3 levels we use in our dance all the time. So let's do this drill. Up, neutral, down. Up, neutral, down. And up, neutral, down. So anytime you arrive to the step, you want to be, if music slow on the high hip, it's a little bit faster like cha-cha, like neutral. And then you gradually go to the end, to the hip end. So that's what you're gonna practice. And now let's do exactly